Hi, this is Ricky at PreschoolSpeechyPlus.com, and this is Doodle Spring Categories. It's so much fun. This is my second doodle set, and I'm really having fun with these. So there are 20 different categories, and then this set is color-coded. So you underline that particular item in that category with that color. You can have the kids color ahead of time. They can use dot paint markers, regular markers, or crayons, and I'm going to show you how to use the set. So here's some ideas of how to use it, and I'm going to show you a trick. There's a draw tool, which is very cool, and if you don't have this on your PowerPoint, you go to File, Options, and then you go to the Customize ribbon and you look for Draw Table, and it should come right over here with drawing tools. Okay, so you want to make sure that's on your PowerPoint if you're doing a session where you want to use color. So basically, I can do this activity printable or digital, and I'm going to show you. I like using the highlighter because it's a nice bright color, and I'm going to start with the blue color and how many farm animals. So I'm going to underline blue, all the farm animals. There we go. Oh, and another thing, you can change the size of the marker, so you can make it fatter or thinner. And let's see, I'll do 2 more farm animals. And then in order to switch the color, you have to click the arrow over here, and then you can pick a different color. So I'm going to pick yellow now, and I'm going to look for the flowers. Here we go. All right, and then at the end you can count them all. Now, oh, and one more thing which is really cool. Say you make a mistake or you want to make a change. You just, after you've colored and you click the arrow up here, you can actually cut the color and get rid of it. Okay, I think that's really cool. All right, so here are the other categories. Another one. And here's a color page because you're looking for colors. Those are the digital and printable. These are only printable, and they're sorting pages, and you cut and you can color, cut, and paste. And here's a blank one, so you can make whatever you want. Okay, well, thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this video from Preschool Speechy Plus.